Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello Philippines and hello world. So I'm excited to share with you one of my skincare routine, which is exfoliation. And by the way, if you feel like I don't have much energy today, it's because I'm still in jet lag and I'm actually my second day of my quarantine right now. So how important is exfoliation? Proper exfoliation removes the barrier of dead skin cells, clogging the skin and uncovers fresh new cells below. This also opens the way to make the moisturizer deeply penetrate into the skin and makes it more effective. You don't want to keep spending so much money on expensive products like moisturizers and serums and you still see no difference. It's more likely because you're not doing the proper exfoliation. So make it as a habit, a regular exfoliation for a healthy looking younger skin. Okay then, so let's start off by showing you the products I use for exfoliation. First is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask from Glow Recipe. This is my to-go mask. Like after washing my face, after cleaning off and ready for bedtime, I use this one. I actually love the smell of this, the watermelon scent. It is made with real watermelon, a breathable sleeping mask that's smooth and perfect skin overnight. Next is the Olay Fresh Reset. It's a clay stick. Perfect for precise application when multi-masking and instantly resetting tired skin for the ultimate fresh look and feel. Moving on to the other one is the Olay Mask, a two-step exfoliating peel. So it has a vitamin C plus HA. And let's check the bottle inside. This is the Olay mask and the step 2. So both of these are only a 1-minute application. 2 easy steps to vibrant glowing skin. Helps diminish the appearance of fine lines and brighten skin complexion. Last one is the Real Calendula Peel Off Mask. This is from April Skin. It comes with a jelly brush. Since I just got back from a long 15-hour flight and my skin feels so dry and a little bit flaky, I'm gonna use the Real Calendula Peel Off Mask. So let's start. I like this jelly brush. It is a mess-free application. So spread out gently and evenly onto dry skin. Just to let you know, I already cleaned my face. I exfoliate too. And it's dry. Avoid the eye and mouth area. I mean around the eyes and around the mouth. I have so much whiteheads on my nose, so I'll make sure put much on it. Alright, so let us leave it on for 30 minutes. And I'm back. It's completely dry. Then we can start from the edge, start peeling it off. I really like this calendula because it's not so harsh on your skin like the other peel off mask. You feel like it is stripping the outer layer of your skin. It soothes and protects your skin with healing properties. So good. With impurities cleared away, nutrients and moisture are able to absorb better. Skin looks clearer, smoother, and more even. Next step is the Calendula Essence Mask. Main ingredient is calendula. All parts of the calendula flower were sourced in its pure and raw form. Calendula is rich in anti-inflammatory. It's very good if you have sunburn and if you have very dry skin. Always choose a product that has calendula, a moisturizer. Okay. Very sticky. So much essence on it, which is very good. It's very hydrating. And this also has hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid not only locks the hydration on your skin, but attracts water, so it plumps up the skin's appearance and makes it look more fresh and youthful. Now when buying skincare products, make sure to check the ingredient hyaluronic acid and calendula. Right, here you go. Wow, so cold. It's refreshing. Where is it? There you go. Okay, when applying a face mask, I normally use a facial roller. We can leave the mask on for 20 minutes. Facial roller is very good. It helps the product deeply penetrate into the skin. Also for lymphatic drainage, smoothing the skin, fine lines and wrinkles. and I use a rose quartz. There's a jade also, but I want a rose quartz. Rose quartz is more on beauty. Jade is for energy. Like if you're a morning person, you're good for the jade. Okay, so see you after 20 minutes. Okay, so that's it for the mask. And the remaining essence, you can still use it. Pat off gently into your skin. Elbows and neck. So it's a facial roller. If you have facial roller at home, this is very essential, especially in the morning. I put this in the refrigerator. It helps a lot for my puffy eyes. Upwards. Always do it upwards. Now, if you don't have a facial roller, when applying serum or moisturizer, do this peace sign to gently massage the chin area up to the pressure points. Janet. And the thumb. I normally count up to 10. And don't forget the eye area. I have this from Bliss. This one has a round roller in it, so massage gently. And tap, tap. And last one, of course, the lips exfoliation. So better not to forget it. It's the Fabulous from Bliss. It's a sugar lip scrub and polish. You can also do a DIY at home. A coconut oil and sugar. You scrub it. Just to remove dry skin and polish. No need to wash, just wipe it. Sweet. And for a plump, hydrating gel lip mask. this is flavored with cherry. Smells so good. Yummy. Okay, I'm ready. So this will stay on for 10 to 20 minutes. Okay. Lip mask promise to moisturize your lips, which in turn will smooth out the skin on your lips and make them appear plumper. Okay, and massage the remaining residue. I look amazing. And there you go. I hope you liked my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next vlog.